Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Japanese-style curry and rice. It is one of the most eaten dishes in Japan today, whether at restaurants or at home. Curry is not traditional Japanese food at all, but it is an essential food in modern Japanese cuisine. Our curry and rice recipe video was originally posted in 2012, and it's been one of the most watched videos on our channel. Today we are making the curry using a pressure cooker and add another set of secret flavorings to make it even more delicious. These are the ingredients. Today we are using beef cut for stew, but you can use any kind of meat such as pork or chicken. We use Japanese curry sauce mix that comes in a box like this. We like to make most dishes from scratch, but when it comes to curry, we like the convenience of the store-bought curry roux, and they all taste delicious. There are different brands of curry mix, and you can mix a couple of different kinds or add some spices and flavoring to make it your own. We'll show you how at the end of this video. First, we prepare the vegetables. Cut the onion in half and slice about ½ inch thick. Cut the carrot into bite-sized pieces. Peel potatoes and also cut into bite-sized pieces. Heat oil in a pot at medium-high heat, add the beef for stew, and brown it in oil. And take the meat out. It doesn't need to be cooked through. In the same pot, add the sliced onion and saute for about 8 minutes until brown. Add the carrots and potatoes. Then add the meat back in the pot. Add water and bring to a boil at medium-high heat. Skim any fat on the surface and reduce heat to low. Cover and cook for 45 minutes until the meat becomes tender, or if you are using a pressure cooker, cook for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and add the curry sauce mix. Stir well so the curry mix will dissolve. Now it's time to mix in secret ingredients and simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. Last time we added the ketchup, Worcester sauce, apricot jam, and soy sauce. Today, our secret ingredients are apple and garam masala. Peel and grate the apple and add to the sauce. Apple gives a hint of sweetness to the spicy sauce. And add garam masala, which is an Indian spice blend. This adds an exotic spicy aroma and makes it so delicious. Pour it over steamed rice. And we almost always serve curry with some kind of pickled vegetables. Fukushinzuke is a commonly served tsukemono for curry, but today we are serving with cornichons, tiny cucumber pickles. We use a boxed curry mix, but you can do so much more by adding flavors you like. Experiment to create your own secret recipes.
美味しい。美味しいね。